When Americans said that, if India going to enter into the nuclear power, nuclear energy, so on and so forth, these people will definitely overtake us. We will lose our business. So let us crash this. That is their idea way back in 1948. Vikram Sarabhai is the first Indian. Unfortunately, he died in an air crash. And again, that is a myth altogether. Somebody says that, it was an accident, he died and all, and somebody says that no, purposefully it was done and all. Anyhow, certain things happens. He is the first man who laid the seeds and the foundations for the ISRO of today. What ISRO today? He is the founder. So we have such kind of ideas, even those. 104 satellites launched in one stroke. When US said that we don't supply the uranium-235 and 238 to feed our Tarapur reactor, according to the agreement of 1969, still we developed our things. Not just on uranium, even polonium, plutonium, all these things we developed for ourselves. Heavy water technology, they didn't give, we developed it. They have violated the agreement, but we proved to the world. We proved to the world that Indians are second to none. Now it is in your hands.
So now you're telling like India has developed so many technologies and all those things nowadays. But why still we are using this Chinese applications more than the Indian applications?
Because always, Lasya, youngsters like you should understand, there are two things like world relations. WTO, World Trade Organization, and duties, dumping, who has to do what, exporting, importing, bilateral relations, financial relations, all this is an internationally wide, it is accepted. That is, in a high-end terminology, it is what is called as a globalization. So it's a give and take policy. So we are using Chinese products to satisfy them to certain extent. We will also export our products to satisfy them to certain extent. But when they started doing hanky-panky things and all,
yes,
it is a time for us to think and rethink once again what we are supposed to do. Even if you ban all the products, we are not going to lose anything, I say. You take it granted, you 57% of these Indians can very well develop all these products just in a matter of 6 months. You take it granted for me. You have the capacity and you have the capability. People like me will encourage you, but I cannot, do those kind of things. Right? I cannot catch a running bus, but whereas you people can do that.
Yes, sir.
So we direct you, you do that. Unfortunately, in India, what is happening is we don't have a dynamic political leadership. That is the only drawback.
Because of the political this thing, we are lacking in development, right?
That's all. It is only as simple as that. For the safety, for their safety, for their security, for making money and all these things, these politicians, what they do is they will spoil certain things. That is the only drawback to us. Or otherwise, we Indians have everything. You take the iron ore, you take the bauxite ore, you take the galaxy granite. You know what about galaxy granite? Galaxy granite is the only material that is available only in India, that too in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
Nowhere else in the world. We have limestone, we have coal, we have oil and gas also. Of course, that oil and gas is not sufficient, it is only just 20% of what our requirement is. Maintaining 130 crores of population, just go after 10 kilometers from here, there is another tradition and another custom. Still, one particular person maintaining all these things, that is what is called as an integrity, is not a joke.
Okay. Apart from all these sources we have in India, still our India is a developing country, right?
Who said it is a developing country? This is the problem with your youngsters, yeah. What is a developing country, you tell me? Why you always say that developing country, developing? Who said it? India is a developed country. When we have shown to the world that we have capability of launching 104 satellites accurately in the orbits, how can you say that ours is a developing country? It is a developed country.
So in the technologies list of technology, where do we rank?
We may be ranking 4, 5, 6 or something like that. Why we are lacking behind? Just because I told you, no,
yes,
dynamic politicalism is not there.
Yes.
So when an Indian industry or when an Indian lab, say for example, let us take the case of an Indian Institute of Chemical Technology in Hyderabad, or CCMB in Hyderabad, when they did some research, produced something, proved something, the politicians in these countries, what they are doing is they are not allowing these institutions to register this under patent right. They are selling this thing to somebody else and they are applying for the patent right. A classical example is about turmeric. Turmeric is an antibiotic which we know almost for the past 43,20,000 years, but still we don't have a patent right. The patent rate has gone in favor of a person in California